bone broth. It's literally not just for grandma's chicken soup anymore. This ancient super soup is literally making a comeback. And trust me, it's got more benefits than your little overpriced protein shake. Now, today we're diving deep, spoon first, into why bone broth might just be the literal ultimate health elixir. Now, there's gut healing, there's better sleep, and there's skin like a skincare influencer. You bet, let's stir this up. Now, your gut is like the literal bouncer of your body, so deciding what gets in and literally what gets kicked out. Bone broth literally rolls in with VIP amino acids like glycine and glutamine that help seal and heal your gut lining. So think of it as like spackle for your stomach walls. Leaky gut? Not on this soup's watch. Now, if this sounds familiar, yeah, same. Bone broth's got glucosamine as well as collagen, two joint-loving compounds that can help keep your movement smooth and pain-free. So your knees will literally thank you. Now, if you want skin so smooth it literally breaks the internet, collagen in bone broth literally helps build stronger skin, shinier hair, and nails literally tough enough to open a can of soda. Now, maybe you don't want to try that third part. But bone broth's secret weapon, glycine, it actually helps your nervous system like a cozy bedtime story and helps you sleep deeper than you literally ever thought. And when you feel a little sniffle coming on, ditch that orange juice. Bone broth is literally packed with minerals and amino acids that help your immune system gear up like it's literally going into battle. Now, look, homemade bone broth is actually amazing, but keep an eye on the sodium and make sure your bones are literally from clean, safe sources. So heavy metals, that's literally a hard pass. Hope you enjoy your cup of soup.